Nikwega mama.
Dad, one way mwini tuwele la kurandele la kuhiki.
Oh, she's nice.
Oh, that's good. Your girl, oimeteko?
Nimeta Kikuyu in Kabete. So, ashaya kume Kikuyu. Mami karago woko Nairobi. Na thogo, fafadari honetiru. Oh, sorry about that. Kenya jeriyo muthi atat nake. Niurutaga wira?
Oh, that's alright. Ken, ndutondo rajira ne mukuhikania ri. Ngwihoka ne mwiretu we wega. Mwikaga maundu manyu hamwe, ni mweine wega.
Yes, Dad. Nituyeine wega.
No korwo ne mwe wega ri. Ngwiciria mwikaga maundu manyu mwe hamwe.
Yes, Dad.
No korwo ne mwe wega ri. Ngwiciria nada. I mean she is pregnant. Are you pregnant?
Oh no sir, I'm not. Beside, ithu turi honoko. Na tutingika maundu tamasha tutahikanĩtie.
My principle is mwiretu uri ukahikio ne my son no muhaka akorwo ena nda mbere. Tondu ndikwenda gukorwo ni maundu mari inyu murekana kunja airetu kuruta mahu kunyua dawa family planning gwithokia airetu othe mutwikite maraya you murenda guka guthukia micii yene. Women are all gold diggers this day. Mutimakaga murakoma nao fatali akorwo na mbeca mugethokia ria muco niguo mucokaga gutengerera anake mukimeraga I love you. Can you marry me? Not at all. Tigo.
Please, Dad. Please, Dad. Why me, Dad? Dad. Please.
Hey. Stop please,
Dad.
Listen.
Please.
No one can make sure. Mwiretu uri urahikia. Enada. Tidata utana muhikia. That will ensure you. Mwiretu uri urahikia. Tidata. She is fruitful. Let her go. Don't stop her. Yeah. Don't stop her. Regia die. Age ndani ya gauka. Kana die na shariogi.